Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all friends? So all friends, I hope you're going well. So let's start. This is lesson number 4. Its name Harakat. So all friends, I have already told you about in this lesson. So let's start this lesson it with the name of Allah, with beautiful voice, with Tawuz and Tasmiyah. First we read the poet of increasing knowledge, then we read Tawuz and Tasmiyah. So, inshallah, today I will teach you with Tajweed rule. So, let's start. Rabbi zidni ilma. Say 3 times. Rabbi zidni ilma. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. And this is lesson number 4. Its name Harakat. Harakat means movement letter. So let's start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Movement letter. So when will come all friends coming Zabar sign on the top side and Z sign in the bottom side and Pesh sign on the top side, then we don't stretch this letter. Its name Zabar and its name Zair and in its name Pesh. So when will come this is Zabar Zair Pesh movement letter here, then we don't stretch letter and sound. Like we don't read Hamza Zabar A, Hamza Zair E, Hamza Pesh O. We don't read this one. So read with me. Hamza Zabar A, Hamza Zair E, Hamza Pesh U. So it will be A E U. And the next letter is coming Zabar sign in the top side on the top side. So that is called Ha Zabar Ha Zair Hi, Ha Pesh Hu. So it will be Ha Hi Hu. And when will come this semicircle shape here, when will come this shape is here, rounding shape is here, Ha, then you read the bottom part of throat. So we will read the next line. This is Ain, Ain Zabra, Ain Zer'i, Ain Peshu. So it will be A'i'u. And the next letter is Ha Zabar Ha Zerhi, Ha Peshu. So it will be Hahihu. And the next letter is Ghain Zabar Ghain Zerghi, Ghain Peshu. So it will be Ghagigu. And the next letter is coming Kha. Kha is bold letter. And when will come Kha is coming, then you rounding your lips, then open your mouth, then you read very easily. Kha Zabar Kha Zer Khi, Kha Pesh Khu. So it will be Khahihu. And the next letter is coming off. And when will come this bold letter is here, then you increase the bouncy sound. Qaf Zabar Qaf Zerqi, Qaf Peshqu, Qaqiqu. And the next letter is coming Zabar, and this is light letter. Kaf Zabarka, Kaf Zerki, Kaf Peshku. So it will be Kakiku. And the next letter is coming Jim. It's semicircle shape and it's one dot inside. That is called Jim. So Jim Zabarja, Jim Zerji, Jim Peshju. So it will be Jajiju. And the next letter is coming Sheen because this 3 dot top side. So it's called Sheen Zabarsha, Sheen Zershi, Sheen Peshu. So it will be Shashishu. And the next letter is coming Ya. So Ya Zabariya, Ya Zeri, Ya Peshu. So it will be Yayiyu. And the next letter is coming Zod because one dot top side and this is bold letter. Zod Zabarzo, Zod Zerzi, Zod Pezu. So it will be Zozizu. And the next letter is coming Lam Zabarla, Lam Zerli, Lam Peshlu. So it will be Lalilu. And the next letter is Noon Zabarna, Noon Zerni, noon pesh nu. So it will be na ni nu. Okay, all friends. So inshallah, today we will complete this lesson. So this lesson is very easily. I will teach you only 2 lines, then I will leave you. So its name is Ro Zabarro, Ro Zeri, Ro Peshru. So it will be Roriru. And the next letter is coming to, because because top side sign here, and you increase the bouncy sound. To Zabar to Zeri, to Peshtu. So it will be to, and the next letter is dal zabarda, dal zedi, dal peshdu. So it will be dadidu. And the next letter coming to dot top side, that is called ta. So ta zabarta, ta zerti, ta peshtu. So it will be tatitu. And the next letter is coming sod, and increase the whistle sound. Sod zabar so, sod zersi, sod pesu. So it will be saucisu. And the next letter coming is seen, and increase the whistle sound. Seen zabarsa, seen zersi, seen pesu. So it will be sasisu. Okay, and today we will read one line, then inshallah in the next class we will read lesson number 5. So za zabar za zerzi, za pezu. So it will be zazizu. And the next letter is coming one dot top side, and this is the light letter. When it will come light letter is here, then you touch the tongue with upper your teeth. So that is called vo zabar vo zerzi, vo pezu. So it will be vazizu. So if you like this video, all friends must subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. And if you like this video, then you must telling me on the comment. So all friends, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself, and Assalamu Alaikum. Inshallah, I will take your class tomorrow, and we will teach lesson number 5.